So once you have a video in your project, you can start doing lots of things with it. First of all, when you float over the video, there's a little drop-down menu that you can click on, and it gives you some choices. Now don't forget that we've already enabled the choices so that we have um, as many of our choices as possible, right? And if you forget, what you can do is you can go up to iMovie, Preferences, Show Advanced Tools. Because we've already got all of our advanced tools showing, we're going to be able to do much more than we would be if we didn't. So the first thing that we would want to do is start with this little drop down menu, and I can do some things. I can actually get a little closer in my clip trimming, but I've already done that. I've already trimmed the clip anyway. I can also make some adjustments. So for example, if the clip is it's currently 9.6 seconds long. If I wanted to shorten that or make it longer from the source material, I could do that. I can speed up the clip a little bit. I can also add video effects. So for example, you can see this is the romantic effect, and it puts a little blur around the edges. I can do a vignette, which kind of makes a spotlight situation. I can make it sci-fi or make it like heat wave, old world, etc. I really encourage you to maybe not play with that too much unless you're going for a very specific effect that you're trying to get. Another thing that you can do is you can make adjustments to the video by hand by either playing with the brightness, the contrast, the different color gains, and that type of thing. This is not something you want to play with a lot, but if you have a video that you need to make some adjustments to, maybe it's overexposed or underexposed, maybe the lighting's not quite right, you can try and make some adjustments and that'll help. And then you can also make audio adjustments. So for example, if the volume is not loud enough, you can adjust the volume right here. If you want the volume of other tracks in the video that you were going to make, for example, if you were to add music, if you want that music to make sure that it is well below the audio of the video of the video you've shot, then you can use this. It's called ducking, and then basically by clicking on ducking, you can set to how low you want that music to be compared to, say, your voice in the video. You can also add automatic fade-ins and fade-outs, and you can click on normalize clip volume, which will, if you have like volume that gets really loud partway through, you can click on that and that'll fix that. So that's one thing you can do. Another thing you can do up here is you can crop and rotate a clip. This is especially useful for a picture, and so I'll show you that in just a moment. So basically, these little tools here allow you to adjust that clip to maybe be a little bit better for what you're aiming for.